Children, I welcome you online study with Vinay. Okay, so today we will study the next portion of the exponents. Here are few examples for you. 3 to the power minus 1 divided by 4 to the power minus 1 and whole power 2. So I told you if the power is the negative, then we will do the reciprocal of that number. So you will see that 3 and 4 will become 1 upon 3 and 1 upon 4, because we will write 3 as a reciprocal 1 upon 3 and 4 is the reciprocal 3 to the power minus 1 and 4 to the power minus 1 means 1 upon 3 and 1 upon 4, and positive power 1 ka no mean, so we will not know, right? Okay, so what we will, and 1 upon 3 divided by 1 upon 4, and we will, when we will solve the division, so we will change the second fraction into reciprocal and change the sign into multiplication. So 1 upon 4 will convert into only 4 and whole power 2. So what will happen, this 4 will multiply with 1 because there is nothing. We will suppose 1, 4 1 ja 4 upon 3 and divide it and power 2, 4 4 ja 16, 3 3 ja 9. That is your answer. Look at here, this is in the second question. 4 to the power minus 1, 8 to the power minus 1 and divided by 2 upon 3 to the power minus 1. So we will write 4 as a 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 8 division 2 upon 3, we will write it 3 upon 2. Understand? And 1 power in positive form will be not written. Understand? So what will happen, we will take the LCM of these number. We will take the LCM of 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 8. So it will come 8, so 4 to the 8, it will upside, and 8 1 ja 8, so it will upside, 2 1 3. So 3 upon 8 and divided by 3 upon 2. Again we will solve 3 upon 8 multiply 2 upon 3. 3 will cut from 3, 2 1 ja 2 and 2 4 ja 8. So answer will come 1 upon 4. Understand? Look at here, this is your answer. In the next slide, find the value of, if there are two side question and one side is a power and one side a number, that is m, we have to find out the value of m. Okay, so their base are equal 2 upon 9 and 2 upon 9. So I told you in the previous video, in the multiplication, if the base are same, so the power will be add. So 2 upon 9 to the power 3 plus minus 6. Okay, look at here like this. So but here is my positive, but this minus sign will do it negative. So 6 minus 3, what will come, 6, we will subtract 3 from 6. So the next number should be 2 upon 9. So either we will write here 2 upon 9 to the power minus 3 because 6 is greater, and equals to the other side 2 upon 9 to the power 2m minus 1. And here we will remove the base because base are equal 2 upon 9 and 2 upon 9. So we will remove it with the cancellation method. So here the next step would be come 2m, only power will remain, equals to minus 3. Now it is very simple. Understand now? Equation in one variable, 2 upon m equals to, this 1 will go other side, then minus 3 and minus 1 will become plus 1. 2m equals to minus 3 will be subtracted 1. 3 minus 1, that is gives 2 and 3 greater, so we will put 1 minus here, and this 2 will cut the this 2, so answer will m equals to minus 1. Understand? This is your exam homework. You have to solve it. These are the two questions based on the first two questions, and these are the two questions based on the last question what I have explained. Find out the value of m. Okay, so 2 to 4 only. Very few questions I am giving you because this is the lack of board study. No, it is little bit of different, so you will feel very difficult to understand. So solve it 4 and send to me homework. Okay, thank you for watching my channel and keep watching it. Bye.